Hello class. Happy New Year to all of you. Welcome to Spring 2023 Data 10 Computer Fundamentals and Applications online asynchronous class. Welcome everybody. You might be in one of the two sections of the asynchronous classes, Data 10 901D or Data 10 D02R. Both these sections are online asynchronous, meaning this section will not have online regular classes. We will not be having class meetings at all. It is for students who can complete their work by themselves, who can take responsibility and finish their due work and the coursework that is given to you using the guided videos, demo videos, and online books that are available, resources available to you by the due date mentioned. Okay. The course outline, this class is organized on Blackboard on a week-wise basis. But to start with, let's take a look at the course outline. The course outline is available for you to download. Click here and you will see the course outline to download here. And you can download them and keep it for your record. All the information is available on there. And then the textbooks for this course, there are two textbooks which you can buy online. I've given you the link right here. Clicking this will take you to the BCC books or Academos where you can buy the book. Make sure you are in the correct section. If this is not your section, please go and find another course here and click Business Systems, click Data 10 and find your section here. Whichever section you are in, please find the section and then look for the course items. You will be able to get it. Okay, please use the BCC email to register and buy the book. Students who are in our ASAP students who have book vouchers, well, you can use them here. In fact, if you get the book separately outside, it's going to be more expensive for you. But do not buy books or any materials from used books or your friends or anybody else outside because you have to get access to SIMNet and the books. Normally, only one access is given to students, one MPID. Okay, so if a student has already bought the book and they've registered on the MPID, if they sell you the book, then you may not be able to log in at all unless it is registered because it's registered to their MPID. Okay, so yes, so here we are with the book. Please buy the book by week 1 because we will be doing SIMNet. This package, this is actually a Data 10 custom package. It gives you access to 2 books, which is the Computer Essentials 2021 book and the Microsoft Office 365. Plus, it also gives you the access to SIMNet, which I'll be explaining shortly. Okay, right. So please buy the books as quickly as possible. From week 2, we will be doing SIMNet exercises, which is compulsory. It is required for everybody to do Excel, Word, and Access as a part of this course. Okay, right. Next is my information. Contact information is available here. My email and my phone numbers here. Please call me only during the office hours because I do teach other courses. So I will not be available at all times. So if I'm not able to pick up the phone call, that means either I'm in a meeting or in another class. Okay, so call me during the office hours of any discussion. But the best way to contact me would be email, or you could send me an email and I will send you a Zoom link if you prefer a face-to-face online meeting. Okay. All right. Okay. So that's my contact information. And this is the home page that you will land in when you log into this course. So watch out for any announcements about reminders about coursework, exams, tests that are due, or any assignment that is due here in the announcements page. Okay. I've also given you the grade breakup. This course will have 3 in-class exams during the semester. First exam will be on Excel on SIMNet. Second exam will be on Microsoft Word on SIMNet. And the third exam will be a theory exam on Computer Essentials theory answers. Okay. And the final exam for this course is actually worth 20% because we do not have class participation. As it says, will be added to your final exam grade. But this is the grade breakup as per your course outline. I'm not allowed to change it. But because we do not have regular classes, the class participation 5% will be added to your final exam Okay, and then of course we have SimNet lab assignments and SimNet project, which is totally worth 40%. 10% for Word, 10% for Excel, 10% for Access, and 10% for the Excel project that you have to do. And then of course the participatory online discussions are there every week. You have 10 online discussions to participate, so that will be 10% of your total grade. Do not ignore the online discussions, because at the end it adds up all to 10% total at the end of the semester. Okay, now let's go on to week-wise courses. If you want to check your grades, you can check on this link, your grades as of now. This course, as I told you earlier, is organized week-wise. So each week you will be given a set of tasks to complete. Read that and you have to complete it by yourself completely. Okay. For example, week 1, you have to introduce yourself in the week 1 discussion right here. If you click on this, you have to introduce yourself to the fellow classmates. Please note that this is a graded discussion. So if you want the grades, please introduce yourself and talk about yourself. There are guidelines here. For every discussion, there is guidelines here. Read them and then you can post it right away here. Okay, buy the book as quickly as possible, and there is a registration video here for SimNet. Okay, so first, week 1, the most important thing is you buy the book and then you start registration for SimNet here. How you do that is you go on to bronxcc.simnetonline.com. Okay, I'll be giving you the link here, and the link is also here. There's also a video here that talks about. It was prepared a few semesters ago, so ignore the deadlines, but it is due by week 1. Okay. So if you go to bronxcc.simnetonline.com, this is the SimNet page. And then you have to make sure that you see the Bronx Community College here, and then you register here. Okay, because I've already registered, I have my thing already saved here. But if you could click on register and go through all this, this is only for students who are using SimNet for the first time. You don't have an ID or you don't have a login to SimNet at all, ever, with any other college, then you can create it here. If you already have one here, make sure you click on sign in, and then you sign in with your username and password. Okay. The creation is very easy. It's just like creating an email. Use your BCC email and then your EMP-ID here, and please make a note of your username and password. The reason I tell you that is because if you forgot your password or your username, you'll have to call into the technical support of SimNet, and it takes some time. So please make a note of the username and password and then create the account. While creating the account, you need to select the section of your class, the Data 10 section. So make sure you see your appropriate section of the class. You may be in Data 10 901D, or you may be in Data 10 D02. Whatever is the section, please select that during the registration of the SimNet. Okay, right. So next is, each week you'll be given various tasks to complete. For example, week 2, we start with Microsoft Excel chapter 1. Okay, there is a guided video here, and every exercise has been worked out. So for example, when you log into your SimNet after registering, when you log into your SimNet, this is what you're going to see. Okay, make sure once again you are in the correct section, because there are many students who might have taken this course previous semester or previous year. You may see those things also there, those sections here. So if you want to be in the correct section, if you see another class other than Data 10 901 or your section, go to this here and select the correct section. Okay, so make sure that you are in the correct section, or you may not see these assignments. Okay, let's say week 2, Excel chapter 1 is due. You have to click on this and then complete all this. So when you go through, this is a very, very user-friendly one. So you have to go in there and go through all this, read through all this, and it's very user-friendly. As I told you, you want to know something, there are videos that shows. Example.
To save a workbook with a different name, click the File tab to open Backstage View. Click Save As to display the Save As area. Click Browse to open the Save As dialog box. Type the name in the File Name area. Click Save to close the Save As dialog box and save the file.
So it's very, very user-friendly. Complete all this. But the most important thing is you will have to do your pause and practice exercises, which are here: pause and practice Excel 1-1, 1-2, 1-3, and 1-4. They have to be completed and submitted on your Blackboard page. Okay. For example, when you click on this, you have to download a file, which is Paradise Lake 101 Excel file. Click on that. You will see it downloads at the bottom left hand side corner. So open that page or open that Excel file and complete all these tasks one by one. And then save the file. And that saved file, you have to go to your Blackboard page and SimNet coursework and then submit it here. Okay. Now, if you see there's a Dropbox available for each of those exercises here, and the due dates are given to you each week. Those Dropboxes will be available. No late submissions are allowed, so you will have to complete them by the end of that week and submit it. Okay. So make sure that you go and submit it. If you think, I don't know Excel, I'm new to Excel, there are demo videos. If you click on this demo videos, it will take you to where I have worked out all the exercises and I've created a screenshot video of it for you. For example, when you click on the first exercise, it tells you, I'm sorry about the thing, it tells you about how to work. So the link is right here. Okay. So if you go on there, you'll be able to see all of it. Let's see here. For example.
Hello students, this is Dr. Daniel Lazarus. This video is to show you how to complete Excel Chapter 1, Pause and Practice 1-1. To do that, you will have to log into SimNet. And when you log into SimNet, this is the page that you'll be landing on. You should click on Library and go on to Microsoft Office, the book in which we'll be doing all our exercises. Then you click on the table of contents and then click on Excel. And we are doing Chapter 1. So click on Chapter 1 and Pause and Practice is number 4 here. So before that, I would suggest that you do the reading on these two tabs before you start this. So let's go ahead and finish Pause and Practice 1-1.
So I hope you understand how it is to be done. After completing the pause and practice, come over here and then you submit the file right here in the Dropboxes. Go through each one of them, and then after completing all 4 chapters, you'll be able to see your grade for Microsoft Excel. And on week 5 or 6, you have an exam on Excel that will also be available on SimNet. Okay, so go through this, and if you need any help, please read through the policies and be the netiquette, the rules on online discussions. And if you don't have a Microsoft Office, you can download a copy of Microsoft Office here. Okay, I've given you all the links. Follow the instructions, and then you could download Microsoft Office. Okay, good luck everybody. If you need any questions, if you need any information, please feel free to contact me on my email. Okay, good luck everybody.